This journey has been carved with unwavering dedication and relentless hard work. Every frame you see is not just a visual, but a heartbeat of a team devoted to this momentous launch. This masterpiece wasn't crafted by one, but by all. In our ranks, no gesture is too minor, no role insignificant. This is far beyond just creating a video. It's about sculpting a narrative that intertwines the dreams and hopes of our beloved nation. For our flag, for our country, every captured moment propels Malaysia forward. Aspirations soar high above, painted across the skies on wings of progress. Alone, we are drops, together, an ocean. At Malaysia Aviation Group, we don't just work alongside each other, we stand as guardians of a shared dream.
At least we get to see the jets.
It's coming. I see. Now left. Ke belakang sekarang. Oh, get this shot. Cantik. Now it's the best time to record. It's spinning. Ooh, damn. See. I mean, our aircraft engine.
Go downstairs, huh?
Go out in front of you, the flag. And everyone join in.
The small one, the flag.
The big one, maybe. Let them go. Don't go kacau. We got photographer outside.
Every soul who has embarked this journey, this is our ode to you. Together, we rise, united in purpose, driven by a fierce love for our country. For Malaysia, we soar as one. United, we forge a future for Malaysia, where every flight carries the spirit of a nation reaching for the stars.